Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply internet marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of internet marketing in 2019 and 2020 on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate internet marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest internet marketing strategies through 2019 and 2020. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is internet marketing in 2019 and 2020 all about? Video number 2. Optimizing your website for search engines in 2019 and 2020. Video number 3. Creating blog posts that attract organic traffic in 2019 and 2020. Video number 4. How to get your YouTube marketing videos on the first page of search results in 2019 and 2020. Video number 5. How to compose killer social media marketing posts in 2019 and 2020. Video number 6. Amplifying your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 7. Generating qualified website traffic with a Google Ads campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 8. How to create a powerful email marketing campaign in 2019 and 2020. Video number 9. Recovering abandoning visitors with remarketing in 2019 and 2020. Video number 10. Generating more sales leads on autopilot with a Facebook Messenger bot in 2019 and 2020. Video number 11. How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Video number 12. Building a complete internet marketing plan for 2019 and 2020. Video number 13.